Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share with you a very important JEE previous year question and its shortcut that can save your valuable time during examination. So take a pen and paper and let's start. The question is, if the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n are in the ratio 1:5:20, then the coefficient of the fourth term is dash. These are the options given. First, let's do the question using direct method and then we will do the question using shortcut also. In any binomial expansion of a plus b whole to the power n, we can find the general term. The general term can be found out using this formula. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Here the coefficient of the term will be NCR. In the question you can see the coefficient of 3 consecutive terms are given in this ratio 1:5:20. So let's take the 3 coefficient as first coefficient can be taken as NCR minus 1 and second one NCR and the third coefficient NCR plus 1. Given that these coefficients are in the ratio 1:5:20. That's equal to, put here 1:5:20. Now simplify this ratio. So first take the first two ratios, NCR minus 1 and NCR. That is NCR minus 1 divided by NCR is equal to, ratio is 1 divided by 5. That is NCR minus 1 can be written as n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Whole divided by NCR can be written as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That is equal to 1 by 5. N factorial and n factorial cancel. That is equal to, we can write this as r factorial into n minus r factorial whole divided by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to 1 by 5. Here we can cancel this r factorial and r minus 1 factorial. R factorial means it is r minus 1 factorial into r. So we can cancel r minus 1 factorial from the numerator and the denominator. So remaining term will be only r. R into, next we can cancel the next two terms, n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So n minus r plus 1 factorial means it is n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1. So we can cancel n minus r factorial from the numerator and denominator. Remaining term is n minus r plus 1. That is r divided by n minus r plus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. Now cross multiply and simplify the terms. That is, we can write this as 5r is equal to n minus r plus 1. That is, minus r and plus 1 can be taken here to the left side. So 5r plus r is equal to 6r. 6r minus 1 is equal to n. So now we got the value of n, or we can write n is equal to 6r minus 1. Mark this as equation number 1. Now we got the value of n. In the same way, we will take the next two ratios, NCR and NCR plus 1, and we'll simplify it. That is, NCR is to NCR plus 1 is equal to 5:20. Given ratio is 5:20. That is, NCR means n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial whole divided by n factorial divided by r plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r minus 1 factorial. That is equal to 5/20. Here we can cancel this n factorial and n factorial. That is equal to r plus 1 factorial into n minus r minus 1 factorial whole divided by, denominator is r factorial into n minus r factorial. that is equal to 5 and 20 cancel, that is equal to 1 by 4. Here we can cancel r plus 1 factorial and r factorial. R plus 1 factorial means it is r factorial into r plus 1. So r factorial we can cancel from both the numerator and denominator. Only remaining term is r plus 1. Similarly, from here we can cancel n minus r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. This n minus r factorial means it is n minus r minus 1 factorial into n minus r. That is n minus r minus 1 factorial is common in the numerator and denominator. So cancel both the terms. Now remaining term is only n minus r here. That is equal to r plus 1 whole divided by n minus r is equal to, right side is equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiply and simplify here. That is 4 into r plus 1 means 4r plus 4 is equal to n minus r. Now take this r to the left side. That is n is equal to 4r plus r means it is 5r plus 4. Mark this as equation number 2. Now compare both the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we can write 6r minus 1 is equal to 5r plus 4. Now solve and find the value of r. 6r minus 5r means that is r. R is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. Now substitute this r is equal to 5 in equation number 1 or in 2 and find the value of n. That is n is equal to 6r minus 1, that is equal to 6 into 5 minus 1, that's equal to 30 minus 1 is 29. Therefore, coefficient of the fourth term is equal to, coefficient of fourth term can be calculated as NC3. Now the value of n is 29, so 29C3. Now simplify here, 29 factorial by 3 factorial into 29 minus 3, 26 factorial. This 29 and 26 can be cancelled. So remaining term is only 27 into 28 into 29 whole divided by 3 factorial means it is 3 into 2. Here 27 by 3 means it is 9. And 28 by 2 means it is 14, and just multiply these three numbers and find the final answer. So when we multiply, we'll get 3654 as the final answer. Now let's do the same question with the help of the shortcut. The shortcut to find the value of r and n is if NCR minus 1 and NCR and NCR plus 1. These are the coefficients, and if these coefficients are in the ratio A is to B is to C, then we can calculate R using the formula R is equal to A into B plus C divided by B square minus AC, or we can write AB plus AC divided by B square minus AC, and N can be calculated as N is equal to AB plus BC plus 2AC divided by B square minus AC. You can see here how many minutes I took to solve this question, but using this shortcut we can solve the above questions within seconds. In the above question we can see A is to B is to C is given as A is to B is to C is 1 is to 5 is to 20. Now just to substitute the values of A, B and C in the above equation and find out R and N. That is R is equal to A into B plus C, that is A is 1, B plus C means it is 5 plus 20. So 1 into 5 plus 20. 5 plus 20 whole divided by B square minus AC. B square means it is 5 square. So 5 square minus A into C is 1 into 20 is 20. Simplify here. 5 plus 20 means it is 25. 25 divided by 5 square minus 20 means it is 5. Therefore, R is equal to 25 by 5 means it is 5. Now calculate the value of N. N is equal to, just to substitute the value of A, B and C here and simplify it. That is A, first term is A into B. A into B means 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus B into C means 5 into 20. 520 means it is 100. 100 plus 2AC. 2AC. AC means 1 into 20. 20. 2AC means it is 40. Divided by B square minus AC. B square minus AC we already calculated here. That is 5. So divided by 5. That's equal to, add the terms here. Total will be 145 divided by 5. So 145 by 5 means it is 29. So in this way we can solve the above type of questions within seconds. If you did not watch my other tricks from the chapter Binomial Theorem, I will add here in the I button. Please watch and share your valuable comments. Another example, if the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n are in the ratio 1:7:42, then find the value of n. Let's do this question with the help of the shortcut. So a ratio is given as a is to b is to c is equal to 1:7:42. N can be calculated using the formula n is equal to ab plus bc plus 2ac whole divided by b square minus ac. Substitute the values of a, b and c here. That is, a into b means it is 1 into 7, so it's equal to 7, plus b into c means 7 into 42. 742 means it is 294 plus 2ac. AC means it is 1 into 42, so 2ac means 84. Whole divided by b square minus ac, that is 7 square minus ac means it is 42. Simplify here. 7 plus 294 plus 84 means that's equal to 385. Whole divided by 7 square is 49 minus 42 means it is 7. Now cancel these two terms. That is equal to 5 times 5 times. So answer is equal to 55. Therefore the value of n is 55. Next question, the sum of the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x to the power of n plus 2, which are in the ratio 1:3:5 is equal to dash. It's given sum of the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms. To calculate the coefficients, we need n and r, and we can calculate these n and r using the shortcut. Therefore, r is equal to, the formula is a into b plus c divided by b square minus ac. That's equal to, in the question it is given that the ratio is 1:3:5. Therefore, a is to b is to c is equal to 1:3:5. That's equal to, here a is equal to 1, so 1 into 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by b square minus ac means 3 square minus 1 into 5 is 5. That's equal to 8 divided by 9 square minus 5 is 4, 8 by 4, that's equal to 2. Therefore, r is equal to 2. Now calculate the value of n. N is equal to, the formula is ab plus bc plus 2ac whole divided by b square minus ac. Here in the question we can see the power is given as n plus 2. So instead of n, take n plus 2. That is n plus 2 is equal to, here a into b means it is 1 into 3, that is 3, plus b into c means 3 5s are 15, plus 2ac means 5 2s are 10. Whole divided by b square minus ac we already got, that is 4. So substitute here 4. Now simplify this numerator, that's equal to 28 divided by 4, that's equal to 7. Therefore, n is equal to 5. Therefore, sum of the coefficients of the first 3 consecutive terms is equal to, sum of the coefficients is equal to, here the power is n plus 2, that is n plus 2 means it is 7. Therefore, the first coefficient will be 7c1 plus second coefficient 7c2 plus third one 7c3. Now add these 3 coefficients and find the final answer. That is equal to 7c1 means it is 7 itself, plus 7c2 means 7 into 6 divided by 2, plus 7c3 means 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 factorial. That's equal to 7 plus 42 by 2 is 21. 21 plus, here 3 factorial means it is 6 itself, so cancel. Now 7 into 5 means 35. That's equal to 35 plus 21 plus 7 is equal to 63. So 63 is the sum of the coefficients. That is option number A will be the correct answer. The most important part here is, for all the questions of this type with the power given as n plus 2 or n plus 3 etc., choose the given expression over here and then simplify the right side.